This is our short tour of our camping area for the tents. It occupies about 1/3 of our entire capacity, our site. It's typically available from the start of May to the end of September every year. And it's also where our camping barrels live, which is them over there. They will be dealt with in a separate video though. It's a large flat area. We have a little cookhouse here for when the weather's maybe not too favourable or you're just looking for somewhere to go and cook your meals in peace and quiet. It's got a picnic area outside here with 5 4-person benches giving 20-person capacity, waste bins, and inside the cookhouse you've got a plinth to put all your stuff to make your food, or cookers or whatnot, and it will keep you dry or away from the wind or just in peace and quiet really. We have 2 sets of fresh water taps. There's one at this end of the fields, and that is one just beyond that big tree there. The other building across there is a dishwashing point with hot water, also a general waste bin there. As with all our grass pitches, there is a 5-day limit before you need to move pitch. But we have plenty of space, so that's easy to do. And we like to preserve our grass for the next person and have it recover quite early. There we go. Loads of available space. This is for hikers, cyclists, cars with tents, rooftop tents. We're one of the few sites in the area now that actually still takes tents at all. Pretty much it's pretty straightforward. We do not supply electricity to tents because we're not allowed to with our insurance. This entire area is actually off-grid. All the lighting is solar powered, including the lighting and street lamp poles. It's all solar powered too. And it's pretty sheltered. As you can see, the treetops are blowing quite badly, but there's no wind down here. So, yep, we can provide shelter. You can park your car next to your tent. The only time that will be limited is in the periods of really wet weather. We'll advise you where to park or where not to go. But yeah, that's our camping area. Available to book on our website. Thank you for watching.